Hello, and welcome to another video of Gemini Enterprise AI Adoption Series. This video is going to be super interesting. You're going to focus on customer churn analysis. It's a very typical old problem to understand customer churns. In the next 2 minutes, you're going to understand how to write and analyze the right customer churn. This is the data set. It has 500 odd records, and this is available under the same GitHub repository that you have been using, the description of which is in the video description section below. All right, so you are going to download the customer churn analysis and then follow this. So we are going to make an agent, and this is what we are going to learn. Overall churn rate, churn by segment, churn predictors and time to churn, and all of these details that you have right here. Let's execute it. Let's see how it looks like, and then we're going to create an agent as our regular stuff. So the agent is going to look like this. You're going to upload the data from the GitHub repository. Please analyze the customer churn, this customer churn data, and it does analysis, data overview, overall churn rate, churn by customer, key predictors for churn, and then it also does the clustering. Isn't it fantastic? Let's see how to build this agent. So what you're going to do is go to Gemini Enterprise. Here, click on agents, or you can alternatively click on new agents here. Click on agent, click on new agent. Opens up an agent designer. Proceed to builder, and then get more space by clicking this, and then we are going to follow exactly as per the documentation. So customer churn agent here, and then agent description, and then you're going to copy and paste the instructions as well. So let's do instructions. So you have overall churn rate, select the model Gemini 3.1 Pro, and leave as it is, create, voila, the agent is created. Let's chat with the agent, upload the file, the customer churn, and then give the prompt saying, please analyze this customer data. That's it. You are done. You just created an agent to do a customer churn analysis within 5 minutes. Now, it's going to take a little bit of time to execute and get you the data analysis, but you would have so much time saved if you follow these instructions. Again, look at that. It's all there. Churn predictors will give you the details. Why don't you go ahead and try this today? Again, thank you for watching.